Hello everyone, welcome back to another Destination Stuff video. In this video I'll be counting down the top 5 things that could destroy Earth at any second. This isn't in the list that could destroy Earth, but it is a thing that could temporarily make the Earth go black. It's called a solar flare. A solar flare is when a build-up of magnetic energy in the sun is suddenly released, creating a spectacular scene. The most common solar flares that happen all the time are those of the C variety, and they are too weak to impact Earth. Whereas the M-grade solar flares could cause minor radio interactions. But there is the X-grade solar flare, which is the largest explosion known in the galaxy and occurred in 2003 and measured as an X28, which if a flare of this size ever hit Earth, it wouldn't kill everyone, but instead would cause a global blackout, so all the electricity in the world could disappear. Number 5. Number 5 is a large star. It's called a hypervelocity star, and it's what we refer to as shooting stars. But they are just really giant meteorites hurling towards the Earth. The ones that we see, which we refer to as the shooting stars, when they enter the Earth's atmosphere at 25,000 miles per hour to 160,000 miles per hour. But these are normally very small and are of no threat to mankind. But there are real shooting stars, which are great balls of nuclear fire, which are about 1 million miles across, and hurl towards the atmosphere at 4,000 miles per hour, burning everything in its path, and the universe is basically at the mercy of this giant ball of destruction. But it's a very rare occurrence, and the chance of it hitting us is so low that it's more likely that Manchester United will win the Premier League. Number 4. Number 4 is more of an occurrence than a physical object. It's called Galactic cannabalism. This is basically the same as the popular game of Gario, where smaller galaxies give into the gravitational pull of other galaxies. For example, let's say one of the galaxies is called Steve, and the smaller one is called Jeff. But after a few million years, Jeff would give up his battle to stay away from Steve, and eventually merges with his galaxy, creating a much larger galaxy so that it could suck in more galaxies, creating a mega galaxy. Which in the process, if our Milky Way ever got sucked into one of these galactic cannibalism fights, it would vaporize Earth as we know it. How would this happen? It's not a matter of how as it is when. We have a cannibalistic galaxy just nearby, which is so much bigger than our galaxy, as you can see in this photo. But in this photo, it represents a computer simulation of what Andromeda, which is the larger galaxy so nearby, which has been known for already eating other galaxies. This photo is what it will do to us one day. Number 3. If this event ever occurred in our galaxy, it would happen once, but once is enough, as it would destroy the universe in a matter of seconds. It's called the Vaccuum metastability event, and this means that our universe's particles go sour. If this did happen, then the Earth would be vaporized, and this would happen faster than you could blink, everything being swallowed into a giant black hole. Number 2. Number 2 is called gamma ray. These are similar to cosmic rays, but nowhere near as devastating. Yes, the cosmic rays can be fatal, but these cosmic rays are stopped just before the ultimate destruction of this planet by our own special defense system, the ozone layer. The gamma ray burst is basically the destruction that Darth Vader's Death Star is capable of doing. It's caused when a star is sucked into a black hole, causing the huge ball of bad news that is the gamma ray for Earth. The explosion emits the amount of energy in a few seconds that the sun would do in 10 billion years. If one of these explosions occur in our universe, it could easily end life as we know it, and boil our ozone layer off. But if it is a double whammer, Earth has no defense system, and then the Earth's life would be ended. But don't worry, this happens really rarely. Only once every single day. What's the ultimate destruction of our universe? As we come to number 1, you will find out. The ultimate destruction of our solar system would be a magnetar. These are a type of neutron stars. Well, it's what left after a big star expands itself into a supernova. These are compacted of extremely heavy metal called neutronium, and just a thimbleful of this metal weighs about 100 million tons. Magnetars have very powerful magnetic fields and emit massive amounts of high energy electromagnetic radiation as they decay. There aren't any Magnetars near us, but the radiation emitted even by the distant ones could easily cause harm to the human race. They already have, in fact, a few times, but very distant blasts, and we didn't know that it was coming until it had already hit us. These natural phenomena have the ability to destroy life as we know it in a matter of seconds, and we'd never see it coming.